Hello everyone, I am Fiona. In today's video, we will discuss how EPS foam factories can achieve energy savings in drying rooms using heat exchanger. In today's demonstrate, our drying room solution is based on two methods of heating, using reuse exhaust steam and using steam from steam accumulator. This is the fundamental premise of this customized solution which approved by our customer. The heating supply for the drying room consists of three main aspects: using exhaust steam to heat the drying room, using steam from steam accumulator to heat the drying room during working hours, using remaining steam from steam accumulator to heat the drying room after work hours. The drying room is equipped with an automatic temperature control system that allows for temperature adjustment. The general temperature range for drying rooms is around 55 to 60 degrees. Of course, different densities and sizes require different drying room temperatures, which is why the temperature needs to be adjustable. The automatic temperature control has two modes. Automatic mode, working in conjunction with the heat exchanger, during daytime working hours, steam is supplemented to the drying room as needed to reach the set temperature. Manual mode, after work hours, remaining steam from the steam accumulator is directed to the drying room to avoid steam waste. Here is the detailed breakdown. 1. Using exhaust steam to heat the drying room. Waste steam flows through pipes from the EPS pre-expanding and block molding machines into the heat exchanger. Check valves at the pipe connections prevent steam from flowing back into the machines, ensuring the waste steam reuse system operates reliably. The heat exchanger transfers thermal energy from the exhaust steam to heat radiator, which then heat the drying room. While this is the most energy-efficient method, it has one limitation. The exhaust steam volume fluctuates with density changes in the machines and cannot be precisely controlled. 2. Using steam accumulator steam during the day. Steam from the steam accumulator is divided into two routes. Automatic control route works in conjunction with the automatic temperature control system for fully automated operation. When the thermal energy from the EPS pre-expander machine and EPS block molding machines is insufficient to reach the set drying room temperature, during daytime working hours, the steam valve automatically opens based on the set temperature, serving as a supplementary steam source to raise the drying room temperature, ensuring the drying room maintains a stable temperature for drying EPS blocks. For example, when using exhaust steam, if the drying room temperature is around 50 degrees and the desired temperature is 60 degrees, the valve automatically opens when the temperature falls below 60 degrees, supplementing steam from the steam accumulator into the drying room to achieve 60 degrees. When the temperature exceeds 60 degrees, the valve automatically closes, stopping the steam flow from the steam accumulator. 1. Manual control route. At the end of the workday, the steam accumulator valve can be opened to direct all remaining steam to the drying room, raising the internal temperature. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.